my means of sports are just games. If through athletics, I set an example, let it be a good one.
For Sensei complete.
Student grade, student is repeat after me.
Right. Taas yung right hand.
Repeat after me.
Diba?
I will build the truth. Confidence through knowledge. Knowledge. Honesty in the heart and strength in the body. I intend to develop myself in a positive manner and avoid anything that will reduce my mental growth and physical strength. I will use what I learned in class constructively and defensively to help myself and others never to be abusive or offensive. I will keep friendship with everyone in order to build a strong and happy community.
Dami ng remembrance.
For the welcome remarks for President Christine.
Lock.
You can take a seat of the judges and the console, please. To our parents, our players, student, guest, our guest speaker from Philippine Consulate, Consul General Edgar Thomas Q. Auxilian, sa ating pong mga bisita, isa pong mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome to our PMAC Karate President Cup International. Karate is not about the ultimate display of power. It is rather the ultimate control of it. True strength lies in the ability to harness one power with precision and decision. Actually, we have three kinds of karate, which is the personal development, with this physical, mental, and spiritual growth, and we have the fun. Fun, which include the competition like we have this kata and committee, which we're going to perform this afternoon. And the self-defense, to simply protect oneself and other violence. Actually, this competition is like the parts of our three general speaking for the karate, the competition. And I would like to remind everyone, especially to the parents, that yung pong mga anak natin, kung halimbawa mag-join sa competition, meron po tayong of course, winner and loser. Actually, for today, lahat po sila ay panalo na. Dahil po sa presensya ng bawat player na nandito sa gym ng Academy, the Saudi Champion. And to all the parents, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo sa inyong mga anak. And i-remind ko lang po about the rulings. Actually, ang rulings natin, we have improved our rulings. Sa mga parents po at mga coaches, hindi po na nakasundok ng marami ang anak ninyo ay panalo na. Meron po tayong general rules. Pwede pong sumuntok siya ng sumuntok, pero wala pong score. And those parents, they will say, bakit po yung anak ko ay maraming suntok, pero hindi naman po na-eskuran? In our rules, pag sumuntok po, let's say po, reverse pulse, tapos diving. That is what they said the Bruce Lee. I fear the man who is practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who is practiced one kick 10,000 times. Kasi po, precision po ang kailangan natin. Nag-kick po kayo, maraming sipa or roundhouse kick, pero mababa po ang ating sipa, so hindi po i-iskurahan ng judges yun. And I just want to make it clear to all coaches and to all parents. Hindi po mo nakita ninyo na ang inyong mga anak or players ay sumuntok ng sumuntok or sumipa ng sumipa, ito po ay i-iskurahan. Those parents will say, bakit po yung aming anak ay marami pong suntok pero hindi po ini-iskurahan? We need to follow the rules. And the rules will be implemented gradually. Actually, hindi po siya noon lang pina-implement. Last tournament, we have implemented those rules but not completed. But today, we are trying to implement it and to improve it. So to our players, parents, are you ready to rumble? Again, are you ready to rumble?
Yes!
Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Furthermore, it's an honor with us today. He is the 11th Consul General in Jeddah. In his 24th year of service at the Department of Foreign Affairs, he held various capabilities such as Director of Economic Diplomacy Unit at the Office of the Undersecretary of International Economic Relations, Acting Executive Director also of Office of Protocol, Acting Director of Central Europe, Office of European Affairs, Assistant Director also of Office of Asian Affairs, and as a Principal Assistant in the Policy Division of the Office of Asian Affairs, as in called Asia. He is working also, or he is assigned also in the various countries such as Agana, Guam, Saipan, Commonwealth of Northern Mariana Islands also. This is in US, part of USA. And the Philippine Embassy Extension Office in Bonn, which is Federal Republic of Germany also. So prior to being assigned in Jeddah, Consul General, he served as Minister of Consul General and Deputy Permanent Representative to the United Nations Environment Program and the UN Habitat and Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines in Nairobi, Kenya, which has jurisdiction of Tanzania, Rwanda, Uganda, Democratic Republic of Congo, Republic of Congo, Comoros, Celeste, South Sudan, Somalia, Burundi, and Malawi. And he served in Kenya also. And let's welcome